friends, it's math carpet time! Yay! In this wonderful month of December, we just have to figure out what comes next on this wonderful Tuesday. So after 14 comes the number, right, 15. But what is the shape going to be today? Which quadrilateral will it be? That's right, which four-sided figure, called a quadrilateral, will it be? Will it be a square? Will it be a rectangle? Will it be a rhombus? Will it be a parallelogram? We'll have to find out. Let's find out. So we had a square, a rectangle, a rhombus, a parallelogram. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Square, rectangle. You're thinking rhombus? Alrighty, but what color will this rhombus be? All right, let's read that pattern. Green, green, red. 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 So you're thinking a red rhombus? Yeah, I'm thinking that too. All right, let's take a look. Oh, look at there. It is a red rhombus. Wow. Yes, the sides are kind of pinched in there. It would be a square, but it's kind of tippy, isn't it? Like someone pinched the square on the corners. So its corners are not square corners. All right, let's put it in. We have a red rhombus. And of course, we found out that our other pattern is a growing pattern. We have one little oval there, and then a triangle, and then two ovals, and then a triangle, three ovals, triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals, and then a triangle. So we should see 5 little ovals, and then a triangle. I guess we'll have to find out, won't we? All right, so today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. All right, let's come on over here and talk to Rocco. See if you'd like to play a game. Hi, Rocco. How you doing? Good. I'm glad to hear it. Hoping for snow? Ah, yes, absolutely. Oh, you want to try sledding? Huh. You heard about it from Timothy Tiger, eh? Timothy Tiger likes sledding? Really? I had no idea. Wow, learn something new every day. Well, hopefully you two will get to go sledding soon. Okay, so did you, oh, I see you turned some around for us. Huh, okay. And you want us to figure out what they are before I turn them back. I get it. Okay. So, friends, let's go ahead and figure out what these are. All right. 0, 1, 2. Oh, you don't want us to count again. Okay. So we have to figure these out not by counting, just by observation. I see. Okay. We can do this. So we have this square. In front of it is a 16. Behind it is an 18. So 16, 18. Above it, we have a 7. Below it, we have 27. What could this number be? 16, 18. Yes, it's in the teens family. It has to start with a 1, right? All these numbers begin with 1. And it probably ends with a 7 because the numbers above and below it end with 7. So it's probably 17, are you thinking? Okay. Rocco, can we turn it around? Is it 17? Wonderful. Look, there it is. A 17. Wonderful. Okie dokie. I think this one might be next. Let's take a look. So we have 43, 45. Huh. Okay, so what comes between 43 and 45? We have 34 above it, 54 below. So can you tell what would be the first digit in this? The first digit, are you thinking it's a 4? Yeah, these start with a 4, so probably begins with a 4. What will be the second digit? Where can we look to figure that out? Yeah, above and below. So let's look above and below. The second digit is a 4 in this column. So, oh, well, that's fun. It begins with a 4 and it ends with a 4. Okay, so that would be the number 44. Let's make sure that fits. 43, 44, 45. Does that work? Okay, let's ask Rocco. Rocco, you think it's 44? He says we are so smart. I agree. I think we are pretty smart. Okay, let's see. We have another one right here. So we have 71, 73, and we have 62 above and 82 below. So what could this be? Well, first off, what's the first digit going to be in this number? Right, we're in the 70s family, right? So they all start with a 7. So this number will start with a 7 too. But the second digit? Oh, that's right. We look above and below, right? So the second digit is a 2. So we're thinking a 7 and a 2. Okay, that would be, yes, 72. Okay, 72. Well, let's count and make sure. 71, 72, 73. Does that work? Okay, I'll ask Rocco. Rocco, 72? He says, good job. There it is, 72. Okay, now we have one last one over here. 87, 89. Above we have a 78, and below we have a 98. What could that be? So it's going to begin with what digit? Well, these all begin with 8, right? So we should have an 8 there. But what will the second digit be? Right, above and below, it ends with an 8. So it should be, an 8 first and an 8 second. What number would that be? 88. Okay. Well, let's make sure. 87, 88, 89. Does that work? Okay. So Rocco, we think it's 88. Wow, he says he's impressed. All right. 88. How about that? Okay. Oh, now you'd like us Smarties to count for you. Okay. Well, how do you want us to count? By tens. Okay, we can do that. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, just a minute, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What? Oh, by tens starting with 3. Oh, sorry, Rocco, I guess I got a little ahead of ourselves here. Okay, starting with 3. So 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. What would come next? 103. What a big number, huh? Absolutely. Well, thanks, Rocco. That was kind of fun. Yes, we will definitely add that block to our chart over here. Okay, so I added another one. Yes. And now these didn't change, right? These didn't change. We still have 6 of them. But now we've added another one here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to change that number. Okay. So it looks like we might have 64. Should we verify that? I think so. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. How about that? 64. 64 magnificent days together. That is wonderful. All right, let's go take a look at Clara Cow's bunches and bunches of gingerbread people. Wow, Clara, you have quite the crew here. Yeah, you're doing pretty well. All right. How are these grouped? By 5. Okay, so that means we get to count by 5s. Okay, Jelly didn't help you. Okay, great. So we'll count these by 5. Okay, oh, and I see over here we have just 4. Okay, perfect. All right, so let's start counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Whoa. 105, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. Wow, now that is a big number. 114. So we write a 114, 100, and then 14. Just like that. So we have 100 and then the number 14, just like, a normal 14, right? 114. Clara, that is a lot of gingerbread people. So, Clara, do you have a flash math for us today? No? Oh, you wanted to give Timothy a turn. Okay, well, come on over here, Timothy. Don't be shy. Yeah, come on over. You wanted a turn today? Oh, that is no problem. We always love having Timothy, right? Absolutely. All right. So let's find a spot for you to sit here. Okay. So that we can do some telling time with Timothy Tiger. It was really nice that Clara knew you wanted to do that, so she shared. Wow. All right. Let's grab your clock. And do you want to set the time? Absolutely. Okay. All right. So what are you thinking? Okay. Right. Okay. You think that one will be hard? Okay. All right. You ready? Okay. Here we go. All right. So Timothy Tiger says, what time is it? Are you looking at this minute hand right here and thinking, oh, it's in the o'clock position? Must be something o'clock. And then you're looking at the hour hand and it's pointing to the 10. So it must be 10 o'clock. Ah, beautiful. So the question is, how do we write 10 o'clock? So first we need a 10, okay. And then we need what? Dot, dot, those 2 dots, yep. A colon, okay, dot, dot. And then 0, 0, okay. Because that's 10 o'clock. So like this, 10 o'clock, yeah. Timothy Tiger loves playing this game with us. All right. Well, do you want to do another one, Timothy? Yes? Okay. You have one in mind? Oh, great. Okay. Here. Come on down here. You can do it. Okay. Perfect. Oh, really? You sure? That one? Okay. All right. Okay, so Timothy Tiger says, what time is it? Again, you can see the minute hand, that red hand, is in the o'clock position, right? But this time, the hour hand, the little blue hand, is pointing to the 1. So it's, 1 o'clock. Very good. Now, the question is, how do we write 1 o'clock? So first we need 1, okay. And then, dot, dot, that colon, okay. And then 0, 0. Okay, I'll write that down. So here we go. 1 o'clock. Very nice. Timothy, don't you just love playing this game? Oh, you'd like a turn every day? Well, we'll see what we can do, Timothy. We do like telling time with Timothy Tiger, don't we? Absolutely. We'll see what we can do, Timothy, because we do like telling time with you. All right, well, that's all the time we have for today. So keep on telling time and remember to have a happy counting day.